In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link. If you ever need to share your LinkedIn profile for a job application, networking message, email signature, or online portfolio, knowing where to find your profile link is really useful. The good news is that LinkedIn makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed into your account. From there, go to your profile. In many cases, you can do this by selecting the Me section at the top of LinkedIn and then opening your profile page. The goal here is simply to get to your personal LinkedIn profile, where your information, experience, and activity are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, look for the section labeled Public Profile and URL. This is the area that shows the web address for your LinkedIn profile. That address is your LinkedIn profile link, and it's the one you can share with other people so they can view your profile directly. When you find that link, you can copy it and paste it wherever you need it. For example, you might paste it into a resume, a job application, a professional bio, or a message to a recruiter. If you're sharing your profile often, it can also be helpful to save the link somewhere easy to access, like a Notes app or document, so you don't have to look it up every time. One quick tip: make sure you're copying the profile link from the public profile and URL section rather than copying a random page address from somewhere else on LinkedIn. Using the correct profile link helps ensure that the person you share it with lands on the right page. Also, if your LinkedIn profile is intended to be viewed by recruiters, clients, or professional contacts, it's a good idea to quickly review your profile before sending the link. That way, your headline, photo, and work experience are all up to date and ready to make a strong first impression. And that's all there is to it. Go to your LinkedIn profile through the Me section, find the public profile and URL area, and copy the link shown there. Once you have it, you can share your LinkedIn profile quickly and confidently anywhere it's needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.